Okay, Onyx is drinking milk off the table. He's actually on the table drinking the milk. Is it good? My mom's still and he's still drinking. I think it's good to him. Drink it, Onyx, drink it.
So we don't have to.
We did this so we don't have to clean it off the table. Oh, human vacuum. He's such a cat. We are so lazy. Oh, this is horrible. And he's going. He's a cat. And he knows it. Alright, this is good?